Zebra stripes are unique to each individual, acting like fingerprints. The stripes help confuse predators and regulate body temperature. Zebras are social animals living in herds led by a dominant female. They can sleep standing, up, or lying down, but a guard is always present. Zebras have black skin with white stripes, not the other way around. They can run up to 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour, and zigzag to escape predators. Zebras live in Africa's grasslands and savannas, needing water daily. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more.